Here we got Halloween candy from Chupa Chups. These are lollipops in a scary design. Look at this colorful printings. The shape of the lollipop is a skeleton skull. At the top it has a green brain looking out. Okay, let's get this sucker out. You can recognize the two parts of the candy. There is the bigger lower part, with skull shape, and strawberry flavor. The top, yellow part, the brain, has lime flavor. Let's try it. You really can taste both flavors. There is a strong strawberry taste, and a bit of sour lime. It is a perfect fit for Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone! Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.